Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Themes by Arpita. As you know, Janmashtami is coming near, so this time I decided to make some ethnic wear to my daughter, which also inspire you, and so let's begin. Here I am using leftover fabric which is sufficient for baby dress. For inner wear I am using satin fabric. You can use any fabric. First I'm gonna join this inner fabric with each other from shoulder and side seams.
So outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Now from back I'm using 2-piece blanket for opening. Here the length of the blanket will be 4 inches long and I cut nicely. So I take 9 inches long strips and 1 inches wide to make blanket. I put in the stripe on the edge of the cut area and sew it. Now I fold the raw edges of the strips and give one more stitches on the strips and then complete the blanket. Now one piece form underlap and other side form overlap. Now here I am preparing to make a frock. Here I am cutting 2 layers for a frock. Here the full length of a frock is 15 inches, so I divided into 3, so I got 5 inches for each. 2 for layers and 1 for torso. For upper part I am taking my baby doll to mark armhole and neckline exactly shown in video.
Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Now I cut it out the front part. Here I am cutting 2 pieces for the back part for back opening to make a 2 pieces blanket.
Then we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Here are the all parts of the frock.
Play our roles and ignore the problems.
Now it's time to join them together. Always remember, you should join shoulder part first, then remaining parts.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
Here I'm taking 13 centimeter long elastic for the wrist. Now I'm going to attach this elastic into the wrist area. Then I'm going to complete this sleeves part and attach to the armhole part.
Play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew
Here I'm making gathers in a layer part, and after that I will join this all layers and that torso part together.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew. I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it.
Here's the final look of a frock, and hope you like it. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel, and do share and let me know how do you like this dress, and comment down below. And if you tried this out, then tag me on my Instagram account. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.